What's up, guys? Welcome to Forex Success. You can see our trades. Boom, 1000 step index and volatility 75 index, all in profit. We'll make profit. Look how I entered this trade. You can see the 1 minute time frame. So let me make the chart big. Look, guys, 5 minutes. So I'll be exiting this trade soon. Yeah, you can see. Okay, guys, if you check out the previous video, you'll find out that for the boom 1000 trade that we took on the previous video, guys, this is the trade. I'm still keeping it. Boom 1000. Look, it's still on profit. As you can see, it's still on profit. You can see my entry. Look at my entry at 13985. You can see that, guys, 13985 and some profit. Look at how I entered this trade. I used the crash and boom, the spike catching strategy to get my entry. Then I analyzed the market using price action. Then I analyzed the market with the 4-hour time frame. Look at my entry. I knew this was a pullback, normal pullback. So I took my entry at this point, and I'll be keeping it. Look, we've got a lot of pips right here. Yeah, we've got a lot of pips. Exactly, guys. So that's how we make money trading. There's over 3,000 pips. Over 3,000 pips. Yeah, so I'm still keeping the trades. Volatility 75 index is paying, so we're on profit of $290, almost $300. Let's check out the step index trade I took. Look, step index. I bought step index. Okay, this is a long-term trade. I'm gonna keep it for days. Yeah, I analyze this market using the daily time frame. Yeah, this is a usual pullback. 4-hour. I'm gonna make a pullback. Check out 1 hour. Look, so this trade has been in profit, but I'm keeping it for days, guys, because I analyzed it using the daily time frame. So you can see, yeah, I'm gonna make profit from that. So check out the V75. It's on profit, on massive profit, guys. That's how we trade. V75, it's on profit. Just trying to encourage you guys that if you just take in time and learn these things, you also be profitable trading. It's selling, it's selling, it's selling. As you can see, 15 minutes broke through. Exactly. The 5 minute time frame, look, exactly 30 minutes, still selling. 1 hour time frame, still selling. So guys, these are how we trade volatility indices and make money. Exactly, and make sure you use risk management. So guys, thanks for watching this video. You can see we're on $350 profit. Yeah, $350 profit, and our equity is almost at $2,000. Yeah, okay, we just got a spike. You can see everything on profit. Everything is on profit. We just got a spike for boom 1000 index. You know, I told you I entered this market. Look at the 4-hour time frame. I entered this market at this point. So since, and look at the daily time frame, it's still on uptrend. It's a massive uptrend. So the time I'm going on is that, so this line, you can see this line I put here, that's where I set my stop loss. In case it pull back, that would be my stop loss for the trade. Exactly, guys. That'll be my stop loss in case the market decides to pull back. But since it's still going up, guys, I'm on this trade. So as it continues to go up, I continue to increase my stop loss. I push it towards the direction of the market as well. So that's how I'll continue to move and make more profits, guys, because I plan on keeping this trade since the boom 1000 index, it's on a massive uptrend for weeks now. You can see, guys, it's a massive uptrend. So thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure you hit that red subscribe button. I'm gonna be dropping strategies for you, dropping strategies and ways to trade. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start to be teaching you guys a bit of price action, so you can also partake in making profit. Because when you add your strategy, the crash and boom, the step index and volatility 75 strategy added to your price action, guys, you'll be very, very profitable trading. So thanks, guys, for watching. Yeah.